I feel that it is important to note that I became aware of a bizarre ghostly phenomenon decades ago. Indeed, I first saw tangible, physical evidence for that mysterious phenomenon during the mid-1980s. However, I also feel it important to note that this phenomenon only had characteristics akin to the old cultural concepts of ghosts. By far the most curious deviation from those old cultural concepts of ghosts was the connection to the UFO phenomenon. This UFO connection followed at a later time, and I certainly didn't identify that link in the early days. But in some frames from video footage I had taken during October 2012, I discovered an object that had mysterious ghostly characteristics. But while this object clearly possessed ghostly properties, it certainly didn't have the properties associated with old cultural concepts of human, demonic, or angelic spirits. In this frame, the object appears to be nothing more than a nondescript projection. On a number of occasions, I have noted similarly ghost-like, ethereal UFO images on my video footage. And the following UFO compilation is no exception to that. Well, in Garden City, Hertfordshire, June 6, 2013. All of the following frames have been contrast enhanced for clarity. The following sequence has been cropped to the approximate size of the red box. Such tight cropping also implies that this sequence can only reveal part of the activity. This object appears solid enough, yet, on successive frames, I was unable to identify it as being a natural phenomenon. The ghostly object has gone. Yet in this frame, the ghost of a ghost remains. This object bears no resemblance to any natural object that I know of. It looks like a classic UFO, yet it is ghostly, morphing, and very small.